Okay, so our number was 604, class. Is this how you show it on your numbers at your desk?
I did not get that.
You didn't? Okay, let's check this out, okay, Casey? You said 600, 4 tens, and 0. So that says 640. So let's model it. Can we model it? How many hundreds? Try it. 600. Okay, good. And then we have 4, 604. Do you hear 40 in there? Do you hear any tens? So how many tens do you hear?
0.
0 tens. Good. How many ones do you hear? 604. Okay, so now can we try switching these around a little bit? Okay, we have 600. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you have the right number in the 6? Okay. How many tens do we have?
0.
We don't have any tens, do we? So what number should we put there?
A 0.
A 0. Very good. Okay. And then how many ones did we have?
We had 4.
4. I'll help you with those. All right. 605?
Wow.
You tricked your own self. Okay, so we have 600s, no tens, and we have 4 ones. Do you see what happened there? Now, do we notice what happened? Who is very important in that problem?
The 0.
The 0, because he represented that there were no tens, okay? So 0 is a very important placeholder, okay? Do we feel good about that now? Okay, so now let's try another one. Are you ready? Okay, and let's erase our board. Okay, Cameron, could you come up and do number 395? 395.
395?
395. Are you feeling a little confused?
Or on like the 95. I don't know, like, since it's 9 and it's fixing to go to the 10s, would we make the number come up?
Let's try modeling it. Can we try modeling 395? Okay, here you go. You can model it on our board.
So we have
Casey, can you move your...
3.
Okay, let's make sure we can see what you're modeling.
3.
300s.
Okay.
95. How would you write? Wait. Here we go. We got to go to our 10. So what do we have to switch to?
Oh, the blue.
The blue. Switch to our blue for 10s. Because how many is 90? How many 10s would that be?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 10s. Okay. And then how many ones? 395.
Right?
5 ones. Good. Now let's get the numbers and see if we can do it. Now that you've modeled 395.
So we wouldn't make this, we would just keep it 9?
9, yes, because we haven't got up to another 10 tens, because 90 is what? Is 90 as much as 100? That's only 9 tens. before you can get up to another one, you'd have to go to 10 tens, okay? So we have 390.
Does that really matter?
No. 390. 5. 300, 300s, 9 tens, 5 ones. Do we see that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. So now, here we go. Good job. I think you guys are really getting it. And Casey, I know that you're feeling much less confused now that you can show that you can not only model it, but you can put it in the correct place value part, okay, in the correct column. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to review. What have we learned today, guys?
Our new hundreds place.
We learned about the hundreds place, which is in our
place value chart.
Our place value chart. Very good. And I want to know, how do we represent the tens in the 100 column? How do we represent 100 in the 100 column?
You put a 1.
Just a 1.
You put a 1. Do we have to put 1, 0, 0?
No.
ma'am.
No, we only put a 1, right? Okay. What about if there is not a number to the left of the 100? So if I have a number like 69, do I need to put a 0 there?
No.
No. Why? Because there's not a number before it, correct? Okay. All right. And then, when a number has to go after another number, when do we have to have when do we have to have a 0?
Whenever it's to the left or to the right of the.
To the right. So if I have a number like, and I want to say 670,
you would need to have a 0, or else it would be 67.
I would have to have a 0, or else it would say 67, right? All right. Now, how many place values have we learned so far?
3.
We've learned 3. And what are they, Casey?
Hundreds, tens, and ones.
We've learned the hundreds, tens, and ones. You guys have it. Kiss your brain. All right. So now, let's review this one more time. If I write the number 098.
That does not look
That
right.
doesn't make sense.
Why not?
You should have a 0 in the hundreds place.
I
There's
don't.
not any zeros. It's
Oh.
98.
I don't need a 0 in the hundreds place. Oh, you're so right. Oh, so now it says 98. Very good. Very good. Wow. You guys are too smart. Also, I want to know something else. Could I come along if I just don't know, if I just want to write 20? Can I write 20 in the tens?
No, ma'am.
Mm-mm.
Well, what would happen if I wrote 20 in the
You
tens?
can't have more than one number in each column.
You cannot have more than one number in each column. So then where would that 0 really have to go?
In the ones, because you have 2 tens, and so you have 0 ones.
That's right. It would have to go over to the ones column. Very good. All right. Wow. I think you guys have it. I can't even trick you anymore. So now, why do you think that we learn place value? Why do you think?
Oh,
Oh,
I
1 second.